You search for how to buy shares of The Works, Company UK plc. Here is a concise educational walkthrough. The Works is a UK retail chain selling books, crafts, and toys, listed on the LSE plc under the ticker WRKS.L, and this is for educational purposes, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with a valid ID and then add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform's search field and enter the ticker WRKS.L to find the company's listing. Confirm the search results to locate the correct The Works, Company UK plc share. Open the asset page to review basic company details and a price chart. Verify the company name and the WRKS.L ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or placed. The eToro link is in the description if you want to open an account and follow this same process.